Hey you guys, just getting a bunch of rain here, and I thought I would come over and just see what the situation is. Getting a lot of rain off the roof here. Really wishing I had a gutter, water standing. Should have just had that metal thing go all the way straight down, I guess, but we didn't do it that way. I don't know why. So let's take a look up here and see if this is running off. All this still needs to be cleaned up back here. Should not have all those leaves on the... Okay, let's see. We're heading straight up to the sinkhole. I don't see any water pouring down through here anywhere. No stream. I guess it's pretty spread out. Okay. Here's the sinkhole. And there's nothing collecting here. Let's just head on up this fall here and see if it's actually collecting in the trench. Now, I have to be careful. I slipped on a rock last week. Just got back from the chiropractor. Don't want to mess that up. Okay, so here's as far as the trench goes. And I guess it hasn't rained enough to put a stream through here yet. Could just be kind of soaking in. Okay. Whew. Of course, it's very wet, but no real collection, and it doesn't look like the water streamed down. Oh, it was 52 at 8 o'clock, but it feels chilly. Let's see if I can get up over this. Okay. Well, you can get a good view of the downhill of the trench from here. That's quite downhill. I suppose at this point we might as well walk out of the forest this way and just see if it's had any effect. I mean, you know it has, even if it's just to let it sink in. Oh, here's a better look at that rock. I saw him struggling with that excavator to try to get that out of the way. That is massive. Okay. Okay. Don't trip, please. Okay, I'm not going in the trench. This was obviously some wood that got... Oh, this was a Bradford pear, I think, got drug up here. Not Bradford pear. Anyway, that one that nobody likes. Look at those rocks. Oh, man. That was a massive excavation. Wow. Okay. These clothes And these gloves are going in the washer when I get inside. Still struggling with poison ivy. You know, for all I know, this could be a poison ivy vine. It does that, you know. Sometimes they are and sometimes they're not. Okay. Well, it just stops right here kind of abruptly. And so I don't see any big runoff here. I guess it's going to have to be a more torrential kind of thing to see the result. Let's check this trench over here. He kind of reshaped this berm so that any water coming down this way, rather than flooding the garden, it would be diverted off over there. Look at all of that ground cover. Those are Austrian field peas. I did a patchwork this year. I did all kinds of ground covers. I ordered them from Territorial Seed, and I did clover and mustard, and I also got radish and turnip greens from the co-op, and that looks like radish right there. Let's see what's coming up here. This got lots of compost, and it should be ready to just put a hoe in there and plant some potatoes. Very soft walking on it. This looks like radish, right? Yeah. But then the peas start in here. Everything kind of got mixed together. But these are the Austrian field peas, which is a legume, which is exactly what you want. I'm gonna have to, oh, they're even blooming. Oh no, that's something else. What is this? What is that? I'm gonna have to look that up. Okay. Oh, wow. I need to clean up this corner and plant my, what do you call it? Forgot what you call it. Look at all these beans that I never got. They just got soaked and rotted and disgusting, and I just never even came up and cleared them off. Trust me, they're not any good. I took a few in, but nope. Okay, this is where I grew beans. It's my bean trellis, and I'll be planting some pole beans on that, both sides. And I haven't decided on this side yet, but for sure I'm planting regular potatoes here, and I'm planting I'm putting up my bamboo trellis here for the sweet peas, snap peas. Okay, all for now, folks. It's just a cold, chilly, not real cold, but chilly, rainy, wet day, and I'm still on my break. But I just wanted to get this quick message out to see if the trench was being effective, you know? I hear a lot of water going. You know what? We should just look in the cistern project is still on hold. I'm still waiting for the plumber to get back over here, and ooh, I hear it in here. trying to see where the water, yeah, you see where the electric cords for the pump go in the water there? That's the height of the water, which is, it looks just slightly less than that dark line on the side. So it's maybe got 5,000 gallons in there. But it's all got to be cleaned out and drained. So just lock that back for now. Okay. Got a little bit. No, I think that's just rain collection because we tightened that. We tightened it. I don't think there's anything coming out of that pipe. It's been tightened. So that's just rain collecting in there. Oh boy, there's so much to do. I'd like to turn this whole project, I just like to be a supervisor, turn this whole project of this garden development into a group of permaculture students at the university and just say, go for it. You'll get credits towards your degree in agriculture and sustainable agriculture. Wouldn't that be cool? That's what I need. I need a team of young people. Well, I got birds, I got cardinals over there in the fruit trees. See, the fruit trees need to be pruned. And look at this. That bad wind we had, bad winds, just destroyed. Oh, man. It looks awful. I don't know how we're going to sort this out. I really don't. But I didn't see any point in fixing it when we were still having winds. This I'm proud of. We finally got this all done. All these blueberry bushes are, there's cardboard under there, 2 layers, and about 4 inches of cedar wood chips. So I'm hoping, there's controversy about whether to use cedar or not, but I looked it up and I believe I'm good with cedar on blueberry. Look at this damage from these moles or voles. It's just insanity. And if my son hadn't already just gone through every method to try to deter moles to no success, I would try more stuff. Look at my garlic under here. I didn't cover it up last year, but I decided to this year, you know, because we had that Arctic blast. That was really, I didn't want it just being destroyed. So, and look at these mounds here. This is kind of amazing. You know, I just had a couple of little things of sorrel, but they're pretty big. Look at that. Made it through just fine. Well, it's a little worse for wear. But I need to look up a sorrel recipe. Same thing over here. I got strawberries under here. And a worm. Let's see. Ooh, got celery. Look at that, nice looking celery and sorrel under there. They say we're gonna yet get another big cold snap, so there's 4 inches. Well, it started out 4 inches of wood crushed leaves on top of the soil of this. Look how far down these leaves go. There's the soil down there. This is the asparagus bed. That's mullein. I mean, that's plantain. Sorry. That's just a little clump of plantain. And over here, I started some potatoes, but I doubt if anything is, no, nothing coming up. May not, you know. I don't know if anything will come up because We had that Arctic blast. Got potatoes over here too. So we'll see. And that's the garlic, and they got some onions over here. Not many, and they don't look that good, but let's see. Got a handful. A handful under there. I can stick a bunch more under there when I get my new ones going. All right, that was just a quick look around, everybody, to see how the weather is having an effect. Got a big box of Pro Mix there to do all my starting, and it was too heavy for me to get into the garage, and so it's just getting rained on. So I'm gonna go in and, hi, let's just say hi. BJ, say hi. Say hi. She goes, there's a bird. There's a bird. Where's the bird? Who's over here? Anybody? That's Spot. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Okay. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in with me today, and I'll be seeing you in a while. Just stay tuned to my channel. Appreciate the support. Hope you subscribe. God bless. Out for now.